everyone, my name is Almayda from IPSE 2018. Well, today we are going to be doing a very simple science experiment that you can try at home. Alright, we are going to test natural and artificial dyes experiment. So, let's get started. To start this experiment, all you are going to need is some water, glass, spoon, and some drink, turmeric powder, and the last is detergent powder. The first step, you are going to put the turmeric powder into a glass that has been filled with water. Then use the spoon to stir them well. After that, put the orange into a glass that has been filled with also water. Then use a spoon to stir it. And for the base solution, you're going to put the detergent powder into a glass. And combine with enough amount of water. And you can stir it with the spoon. Alright, after we make 3 of solution, first I will combine a base solution with orange colored solution. Let's watch to see what happens. The color doesn't change. Alright, we will move to the second. I will combine a base solution with the turmeric solution. Let's watch to see what happened. Wow! The color changes into darker. And now, are you curious what happened to the solution that doesn't change its color? And why the other solution changed its color? Alright, I will explain. Turmeric natural dyes have properties as indicator of acid and base. So, turmeric will change color, becomes darker when the atmosphere is alkaline, and the artificial coloring does not change. Turmeric natural dyes contain organic substances that are easily degraded or destroyed, so that if add a solution of base, will dissolve and fade, while artificial dyes are generally made from inorganic substances that are difficult to degrade. These artificial dyes have the ability to adhere strongly so that they do not have fade easily. So from the natural coloring and the artificial coloring, it can be concluded if the color changes, it means natural coloring, but if the color doesn't change, it means artificial coloring. Alright, that was pretty much it for this science experiment. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye!